Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. If you're interested in participating in this video, the email address is right here. Make sure you send me big full-size photos. If you see black around any of the photos in this video, they're the ones I had to blow up, and then I got to the point where I couldn't blow them up anymore to really fill the screen without distorting the photos. So send me large files, and if you have to send multiple emails, that's no big deal. But I do this video the first Sunday of every month. The other Sundays are question and answer videos. So if you have any gardening questions, you can ask those down below. I have a marathon going behind me, and then on the road, another road over here, and people are yelling and screaming and having a good time with that this morning, but it's a little distracting. Sorry about that if I seem distracted here. If you haven't followed the channel for the last week, I put up the first video from this new house here. I've got debris piles here. I've got a shed that I'm working on hard over here in this corner, and progress is being made here already. I think I put up another tour video from joining neighborhood this week, a couple of individual plant videos. I've shot another tour video of another yard toward the end of the week that's going up. I did a landscape job this past week. That video will also be going up maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday on it. So lots of content coming out this week, and progress being made, like I say, in this yard for the first time. So thank you very much for watching my videos and following me along. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because like I say, I'm doing more day-to-day story content on there now. And you can really follow along a little closer, like the landscape job. There's already photos of it on Instagram, and Instagram address is right here as well. So thank you very much, like I say, and here are the subscriber photos.